Morning, I'm Glenn Stonehouse, Business Support Manager for ADEY. What we've got here is our ADEY ProCheck kit. So this is a way of being able for the engineer to check pH, corrosion and inhibitor levels on heating systems. Obviously now with the new Part L regulations, he can check inhibitor levels, but he can also check system health at the same time. So if there is an issue, he can be proactive, deal with the issues on the heating system. With fuel prices going up, customers want their heating system as efficient as possible. This will obviously help in that. After they've taken the sample, scanned it using their phone, they can actually leave the customer or landlord with a copy. So it's there in black and white, proving that there could well be an issue with the system. What we have here is some of our range of the domestic filters. We have the Atom, which can also be fitted on horizontal pipework, the Micro 2, the Professional 3. So it's a way of being able to keep the engineer in contact with the filter. If anything is happening, he can be proactive again, contact the customer. Have they done any decorating? Have they dropped the system? There's now no inhibitor in it. Magnetite levels are now starting to climb. The engineer would be made aware of this, so again, he can deal with it before it becomes an issue and the boiler breaks down. This one here is our 28 2XP. So this one here for light commercial or bigger properties. We have this filter here for those types of installs.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.